Top 10 Car Wash in Santa Ana. 1. Unique Hand Wash and Auto Detailing, 4.9 582 reviews, Coast DR. 2. First Main Street Car Wash, 4.8 4 reviews, Main Street. 3. Quack Car Wash, 4.7 1136 reviews, Main Street. 4. Two Thumbs Up Express Car Wash, 4.5 738 reviews, Westminster Avenue. 5. Orange Hand Car Wash, Detailing, Window Tint, Ceramic Coatings, 4.4 520 reviews, East Chapman Avenue. 6. Mr. Car Wash, 4.4 237 reviews, 17th Street. 7. Go Green Express Car Wash, 4.4 214 reviews, Red Hill Avenue. 8. Santa Ana Express Car Wash, 4.3 1312 reviews, East 1st Street. 9. Fast5Xpress Car Wash, 4.3 1149 reviews, Main Street. 10. Zaroo Express Car Wash, 4.2 387 reviews, West 17th Street.